Have you heard of CrushOn.AI? With this amazing AI, you can chat with chatbots like it is your girlfriend or boyfriend. Unlike other AI chatbots like Generate AI and Character AI, it doesn't have restrictions to chat NSFW content. Doesn't that make you curious to try it out? Before we get to that, if you find this video helpful in any way, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button, as it really motivates us to keep making such content. Let's get started. First off, open up the official CrushOn.AI website. You can log in with your email address or continue with your Google account. In the homepage of CrushOn.AI, you will see a variety of characters and a number of categories to chat. Choose any character that you'd like to chat with, or you can create your own character with specific character details. Click Create Character on the left. Enter the name of the character and upload the avatar image. Enter the short description that explains the character in short terms. You can choose the visibility of the character, either public, unlisted, or private. You can enter the tags, which is optional. Now choose the category you wish. If you choose NSFW, it will chat NSFW content with you. But the other category characters will be a little hesitant to chat in the form of this type of content. Enter the greeting. This will be the first message when you chat with your created character. A few personality traits, scenarios, and examples on how you'd want the conversation to be like. All this information will help give layers to the character you're creating. Now you can chat with your created character. Click the star icon on the right corner to add your favorite character in My Favorite lists. You can search the character by clicking the search option on the left. The disadvantage of this chatbot is that on a free plan, you'll get only 50 messages. You need to purchase a subscription to get a higher number of messages. But the good thing is that you can get coins as a bonus by simply logging in to the CrushOn.AI account every day. And when you create a new character and when you invite your friends, you can redeem or convert them into messages which you can use for chatting. If you want to delete your account, go to account and scroll down. Click yes, delete my account. For someone looking to have uncensored conversations with an AI, this seems to be the app for you. For more in-depth understanding, you can check our article, which is linked in the description. Also, don't forget to like this video and join us here for more of our content. Thank you for watching.